Salesforce or Oracle, two of the biggest names in the CRM world. But in this time, which one is truly the king of enterprise CRM? Which one helps your company grow faster, handle customers better, and save more time? Let's break it down. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make technology simple for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link in the description for more details. Now let's get started. So first, who are these tools for? Starting with the Salesforce. Salesforce is built for companies that want flexibility, custom apps, and a full ecosystem of tools. If you want sales, marketing, service, analytics, all connected in one place, Salesforce is made for that. Now let's talk about the Oracle CRM. This is more for a very large enterprise that need strong data control, deep integration with finance, HR, and other Oracle system. If your company is already using Oracle product, Oracle CRM can fit in very smoothly. So yeah, Salesforce is like the innovator and the builder, while Oracle is like the enterprise powerhouse. Now let's talk about the ease of use. Salesforce is powerful, but it can feel a little complex at first. However, it is a very modern interface and a big app exchange marketplace where you can add features. Oracle CRM also has too many features, but honestly the interface feels a bit older and not as beginner friendly. It works great if you are used to Oracle system, but it's not the easiest to learn. So the final verdict is Salesforce win of ease of use, and Oracle is better if you already have the Oracle system. Now let's talk about the features. Salesforce has a strong automation, AI powered inside, customer journey, and huge number of integration. It's very customizable. Other side, Oracle also offers advanced AI analytics and storage B2B feature like lead scoring and account based marketing. It's very powerful but more focused on traditional big enterprise. So both are strong, but Salesforce is better for innovation and flexibility. Oracle is better for big enterprise setup with complex system. Finally, let's talk about the pricing. Both are expensive, no sugarcoating here. Salesforce usually start lower, but it can go higher as you add new features. Other side, Oracle is often more costly upfront, but for very large companies, it can actually be cheaper in the long run if you are already using other Oracle products. Now, Salesforce is the king if you want the innovation, flexibility, and the massive app ecosystem. And Oracle is king if you want the stability, strong enterprise integration, and already rely on Oracle tools. So yeah, if you want the speed and flexibility, go with Salesforce. But if you are a very large company and already use Oracle system, then go with Oracle CRM. So this was the video for today. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.